Alright, hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to watch this Year 12 Maths video and what Mount Clear College has to offer in terms of maths in your final year of schooling. Now, I'll start off by showing the selection table that is in the booklet. Now, in Year 11 you've chosen either Foundation Maths, General Maths, Math Methods, or Math Methods and Specialist Maths. And it's about following the pathway from that. If you've chosen Foundation Maths, it does not lead to any math subject in Year 12. That being said, if you wanted to study Unit 3 and 4 further maths, you would have to have shown an exceptional ability in Foundation Maths, not just mathematically, but a work ethic to persevere with tough problems, to then enter further maths. If that's an option you want to follow, please speak to your Foundation Maths teacher. Most students will be doing Unit 1 and 2 General Maths, and they'll follow on into Unit 3 and 4 Further Maths if you feel comfortable enough, or you also have the option of not completing a maths subject in Year 12. If you've done Unit 1 and 2 Math Methods, you'll continue on with Math Methods in Unit 3 and 4, or if you've done both Math Methods and Specialist Maths, you'll continue on with that. Once again, that is only if you feel comfortable. If you've really struggled with Unit 1 and 2 Math Methods, and you feel like Unit 3 and 4 is going to be harder, which it will, you are more than welcome to drop back to the Unit 3 and 4 Further Maths, just so that way you feel really confident in your abilities, and you have a better chance of getting a better score, hopefully. Let's go through the different subjects now. So once again, we have Further Maths, Math Methods and Specialist Maths at Year 12. You don't have to study a math subject in Year 12 if you do not want to. If you have had real issues in Year 11 Maths, if you've really struggled learning the content, then you don't have to do a math subject at all. We would suggest completing a math subject if you feel confident in doing it, even if, as I said before, if you did Math Methods in Unit 1 and 2, and if you really struggle with that, you could then drop back to do Further Maths in Unit 3 and 4. So going through Year 12 Further Maths. So there are lots of different areas of study. This is taken directly from the study design. It'd be important for you to have a look at the study design to see what is in each subject. We do data analysis, recursion and financial modelling, and that's completed by all Victorian schools. In Unit 4 we choose two of the following topics. Speak to the Further Maths teachers to see what topics we choose. What this course may lead to. Now, Further Maths has the most application that we use in everyday life. For universities, it is one of the main prerequisites you'll need if you do need a prerequisite of maths. The links to further pathways are down there, and you can see that in the subject selection book as well. So it provides students with the opportunity to engage in a range of learning activities where demonstrating their understanding and working towards mastery of concepts and skills throughout the study. Hopefully this will also improve your employability skills, looking at planning and organisation, solving problems, and using communications, technology and self-management. Some additional information: you need to purchase the textbook as well as the CAS calculator. You should have this from Year 11 General Maths, so please keep on using that calculator from last year if you still have it and it's still in good working order. Our next subject is Math Methods. Units 3 and 4, the areas of study you can see quite clearly there. Functions and graphs, algebra, calculus, probability and statistics. The core skills you learnt in Year 11 math methods will not only be revisited, but they'll be enhanced in Year 12. Access to any science, commerce and IT courses at university is what this course might lead to. You need to check the courses that you might want to join very clearly to see what prerequisites you need. This will help students train them to think logically and approach problems in a creative and analytical way. It also encourages a strong work ethic, patience and persistence. There is a lot of work we need to cover in this subject, so we need to be working at quite a good rate. Additional information, once again you'll need the textbook and the CAS calculator. You should have the CAS calculator from last year. We then move into specialist maths. Once again, specialist maths is designed to be studied in conjunction with math methods. If you're interested in mathematics and physics, specialist maths might be a good choice for you. The areas of study are there. This leads to a range of different university courses such as mathematical sciences, engineering, computer science, physical sciences and laser physics, whatever that is. Students envisaging careers in those related fields will benefit from studying this subject, but please only do it if you feel comfortable doing it. We will be drawing on the skills that we learnt in Year 11, as well as deepening those skills and that knowledge that you had from Year 11. There will be a chance to develop your skills in rigorous mathematical arguments and proofs using mathematical models. Once again, you need to purchase the textbook and have the CAS calculator from last year. The table is here. Now, most of you will have satisfactorily completed your maths course in Year 11, and you have the option of following on if you feel comfortable do so. Once again, the main bit of advice that I can give you is choose the maths subject that you feel most comfortable in. Okay, we want you to succeed in Year 12, not struggle all the way through. Thank you very much for listening.